Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to fix if app is not available in your country or region. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. Depending on the laws and regulations in place, various countries or regions may restrict or outright ban particular apps, so if your registered country associated with your Apple ID is amongst the restricted list, you'll likely be refrained from downloading the app to your device. In order to proceed with your installation, the best solution is to change the registered country of your account. Open the App Store. Go to your profile account page and tap Country or Region. Then click on Change Country or Region and select a country wherein the app is not restricted or banned. As a reminder, make sure to provide a valid address, particularly the zip code of the area. Apple validates the entry, so you might be prevented from saving your changes if you randomly type in an address. After saving your changes, the previously unavailable app will now be available for download on your iPhone. If you live in a region where the App Store restricts some content, you can avoid this by using a VPN. VPNs can let you overcome geo-blocks and other content restrictions by routing your traffic through a server in another area of the world. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.